Hampton Borough, New Jersey was having their annual town-wide yard sale, so I put on my lucky t-shirt and made the half-hour drive to see what treasures I could find. Every time I wear this shirt, I get positive comments. This time, a woman actually started singing to me. "Do You Believe in Magic" by the Loving Spoonfuls. Okay, let me show you what I brought home. Mrs. Magdad likes working on puzzles. She refuses to pay more than $1 for them at yard sales. Now I saw this one. It's 2,500 pieces. It's a nice scene. And best of all, it's never been opened. And it was $1. I paid $2 for these 5 items. This pair of slip joint pliers is marked CT Co., Jamestown, New York. And they have a nice embellishment on the handles. I believe CT Co. is a brand of crescent. This perfect handle screwdriver has definitely seen better days. It's probably supposed to be maybe that much longer. The only thing it's got going for it, I hope this shows up right here. See that marking that's like on a spiral? Like a barbershop pole? That's a genuine H.D. Smith marking. So this is a real perfect handle screwdriver. Here's another screwdriver that's seen better days. This is a North Brothers screwdriver. I like these. These are a nice model. The wood's not in terrible shape. Under the rust, I think I'm reading it. This is H. Boker and Company. And take a look at the jaws. The jaws have very low miles. I mean, of course, it's rusted solid. Don't get me wrong; it needs work, but I thought that would make for a good project. This is one of those brass nesting screwdrivers. Again, it looks like the theme of this pile is corrosion. I checked this, and it does have all of its blades intact, and they look like they're not mangled too bad, just corroded. I thought this would make a good before and after. I found another nesting screwdriver in better shape. I paid $1 for it. This one's marked. I think it says Sanders Penna Dutch screwdriver. I also checked this one. And it has all of its pieces. I paid $5 for these 2 items together. This Stanley combination square has a 1917 patent date. This marking here, this is the Stanley 4 square line. I believe that line is from the 1920s. And this is a SK half-inch drive. There's the part number. The knurling feels nice and sharp. and it seems to operate okay. Should clean up okay. I paid $5 for these two items together. This is a Stanley Workmaster. There's the part number. Has a heavy-duty square shank, but it has this narrow cabinet-style tip. I thought that was unique. And this one's a mystery tool. It's marked Buck Rose, which is Buck Brothers. Now I'm familiar with Buck Brothers for chisels. I didn't know they made things like this. I looked all over the internet and I was unable to find another example of a Buck Brothers carpenter's hatchet with a stacked leather handle. I did find a 1956 catalog that showed this kind of handle and advertised it as new, and in the catalog they only had claw hammers listed, and I've seen a couple of those online with this exact handle, but I cannot find another example of a carpenter's hatchet by Buck Brothers. So if anybody's got one of these and knows about when it was made, please let me know in the comments. I paid $8 for this last item. There's 25 lures in the box, so that works out to 32 cents a piece. I thought that was a good deal. A lot of these are sizes I use. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see me clean up a few of these and try to catch some fish with them. So do you think my lucky t-shirt did the job? The town-wide yard sale had great participation. I lost count of how many houses I stopped at. The weather was great and everybody was super friendly. Keep an eye out for town-wide yard sales in your area. You never know what treasures you'll find at the next sale. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.